I want to thank a lot of the news organizations here today. It's all fake news. It's phony stuff. It didn't happen. And it was gotten by opponents of ours. If Putin likes Donald Trump, I consider that an asset, not a liability. Be careful, because you don't want to see yourself on television. Cameras all over the place. You know, the only one that cares about my tax returns are the reporters, okay? They're the only ones. But no, I don't think so. I won. I mean, I became president.
The conflicts of interest laws simply do not apply to the president or the vice president, and they are not required to separate themselves from their financial assets. He has relinquished leadership and management of the Trump organization to his sons, Don and Eric. President-elect Trump should not be expected to destroy the company he built. President Trump can't unknow he owns Trump Tower, that he is going to voluntarily donate all profits from foreign government payments made to his hotels to the United States Treasury.
Obamacare is a complete and total disaster. Mexico, in some form, and there are many different forms, will reimburse us, and they will reimburse us for the cost of the wall. And by the way, Mexico has been so nice, so nice. I respect the government of Mexico. I respect the people of Mexico. I love the people of Mexico. I have many people from Mexico working for me. They're phenomenal people. I think it was disgraceful that the intelligence agencies allowed any information that turned out to be so false and fake out. BuzzFeed, which is a failing pile of garbage. No, not you. Not you. Your organization's terrible. Your organization's terrible. Let's go. Don't be rude. No, I'm not going to give you a question. I'm not going to give you a question. You are fake news. That report should have never, first of all, it shouldn't have been printed because it's not worth the paper it's written on. Russia will have much greater respect for our country when I'm leading it than when other people have led it. These papers are all just a piece of the many, many companies that are being put into trust to be run by my two sons, and I hope at the end of 8 years I'll come back and I'll say, oh, you did a good job. Otherwise, if they do a bad job, I'll say, you're fired.